Hey you guys, I have an experiment, microwaving Ivory soap experiment, but I'm gonna do it wrapped and unwrapped. So stay tuned and take a look at what happens. Oh my goodness. What's up everybody? It's your girl Charlotte. And I'm gonna be doing an experiment. And it is with my most favorite that I use on my face every day. The only soap I use on my face every day. Ivory soap. Oh yeah, because that's the soap that my mom only used on her face. So, I know there's been experiments with Ivory soap in the microwave. I've seen it. I have not seen it with them leaving a wrapper on. So I'm curious. I want to know what happens. So I'm going to take one wrapper off and I'm going to leave one wrapper on. And then we're going to put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So that's a minute and a half, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. And do y'all ever notice, anybody out there that's Ivory soap users, when you get ready to unwrap your Ivory soap, it always feels moist? Well, I think it's reason why the wrapper always feels moist and almost wet-like is because there's air pockets in the Ivory soap. That's what's gonna cause it to explode in the microwave. So I just wanna see it for myself. So we're gonna see it too. So I'm gonna turn y'all over to the microwave, put them in for a minute and 30 seconds, which is 90 seconds. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, you guys, so I got them in the microwave. So let's get ready to put it on and let's go. Nope. Let's do this again. We're gonna clear that out. That 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Ooh, that scared me. On the microwave, so I can't see it. Oh wow. I smell the Ivory soap too. Got less than 15 seconds left, you guys. 10 seconds left, y'all. All right, let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Smells like Ivory soap, y'all. But look at the one that I had in the wrapper. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that pillowy softness. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna take this baby out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let's see, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You can still see the Ivory soap in there. Look at that. You can still see it right here. but it's hollow. Oh my gosh. It feels like, what does it feel like? Like wax. That's what it feels like. It's so soft. Look at this. Y'all see that? Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Oh my goodness, and look at this one. That had the wrapper still on this one. Oh, look at that. Let's take it out the wrapper. See what we got. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. And you can still use this Ivory soap, y'all. You can use it to wash dishes. You can use it to wash clothes. Look at this. Oh my. Oh, look at that. It's just like wax, but dry wax. Look at this. You think I can mold it back together? Huh? What y'all think? Oh wow. Yep. Well, this is what happens when you have nothing to do in a quarantine time. Nothing to do but have fun with your bath soap. But I'm gonna mold it back together and see if I can get it into one big bunch. Look at this. Unbelievable. And they said this is the only soap that you can do that it does like this. And y'all know Ivory soap floats. It's the soap that floats. When you put it together, it almost feels like when you're making dough for like biscuits. Wow. I'm gonna see if I can get it all back in a ball. Have a ball of soap. What y'all think about that, huh? Oh my gosh. Yeah, and it's so warm. And considering I just got out of the microwave, you would think it would be like hot burning my hand, but it's just warm. It's just warm. So this is it, y'all. This is the Ivory soap experiment. Oh, my hands feel so nice and soft. Goodness, it feels like I put lotion on there and they're just so nice and creamy. Wow, look at my hands, y'all. They feel so nice and creamy, like I exfoliated my hands. Wow. So that's it, you guys. PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and PromoSTK, Shella's, oh, what is it? ASMR Sound and Story Time. Yeah, those are my 3 channels, y'all. Y'all follow me on all 3. Check it out. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Yeah, and if y'all want to do it too. It's a fun little thing. Gosh, it makes you want to play. You wonder why kids like doing this kind of stuff. Look at this. Wow. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let me give you this ball of snow before I go. All right, you guys. Now look at this. It is hard, just like a ball. Look at that. Wow. It hardened up really, really good. Now it's a ball, and I have it in the saran wrap. Yes. So this is what happens once you let it form. See that? Oh, yeah. It's gonna be some nice soap. You can still use it. You can even bathe in it still. Oh, yeah.